What if I forget to file for removal of conditions on time? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our offices here in St. Louis, Missouri and San Diego, California. You know we have our live show every Tuesday and Thursday, usually at noon Central Time. Well, this Thursday, something very funny happened. There was a guy and he had called me. He was still in bed. He had just woken up. He apparently worked the night shift and he had set his alarm to hop on the call and to ask me this question. He has his conditional green card. And for those of you who don't know, in order to cut down on marriage fraud, if you've been married for less than 2 years at the time your initial green card is issued based on marriage, if it's been less than 2 years, you're only going to get a 2-year green card. And at the end of those 2 years, you have to file a Form I-751 petition to remove conditions. That petition to remove conditions has to be filed between 1 year and 9 months of getting your initial green card and 2 years. So you have this little 90-day window to apply to have the conditions removed on your green card. So everybody who's getting a green card based on marriage, make sure that you calendar that and that you file that application on time. Now this fellow who woke out of bed, his name was Hayden, and Hayden said, "Jim, I missed it by a few months. What should I do?" And so we talked it all through, and obviously the first thing he needs to do is get his I-751 application ready and to get all the supporting evidence and all the documents that he needs in order to get that case on file. He's also going to need to file a statement explaining why. Why did you file this late? Why didn't you file this on time? And we are in the process right now. We just are filing one right now for a couple here in Missouri who had a lot of things going on right around that 2-year anniversary. I believe there was a COVID diagnosis and a more serious, COVID serious, but I think a cancer diagnosis somewhere in the family. We've also had people miss it because they were having a baby. Some people just miss it because they forgot. And I've had people file the I-751 late by a year, by 2 years, by 4 years, by 9 years, and those have all been approved. So USCIS in this instance is usually forgiving as long as you give them a good explanation. Now, if you have medical records that can explain why you're having a hard time or why you had a hard time filing this on time, that's good, but you're going to need a written statement that sort of details, I didn't know about this, I wasn't paying attention to it, I would have filed it on time if I knew about it, I'm sorry that I didn't file it, I will follow the rules, I always follow the rules, and I'm really sorry that I missed this. Here's why: I was sick, or my wife was sick, or my husband was sick, or my kids were sick, or my mother was sick, or something like that. I missed it for whatever reason it was. I was traveling, or, obviously the longer delay that you have in filing the I-751, probably the more evidence and the more explanation you're going to need to give. But we've never had one of these requests denied so far. So if you have questions, if you're getting ready to file your 751, or if you're wondering when to file your 751, or if, like Hayden, you're wondering, what do I do? I filed my I-751 late. You can give us a call at 314-961-8200. You can email us, info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. And if you like this video, we ask that you please share it out on social and that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get updates whenever we make videos like this one. Don't forget, every Tuesday and Thursday, usually at noon Central Time, we are live in our Facebook group and on the YouTube channel, answering as many of your immigration-related questions as we can in just 60 minutes. Hope to see you there. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.